Hello everyone, we have given an expression 4 minus 2 bracket 4 minus 2. So let's start with today's video solution. So 4 minus 2 bracket 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2 and in bracket 4 minus 2 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. So people solved it like this and reached at their answer 4, which is wrong. If there is an multiple operation given, you have to follow certain rules. So I am going to use PEMDAS rule, which helps me to find correct answer. So first you have to solve the parenthesis. That means this bracket, set this bracket give us 4 minus 2 as 2, and if we remove the bracket, we will put multiplication sign. Now we have two operations, subtraction and multiplication. So we have to give, according to PEMDAS rule, first preference to multiplication. So 4 minus 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 minus 4 is 0. So what is the correct answer? 0, not 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.